Let us see today the working of venturimeter, which is used to calculate the discharge or flow rate of the fluid flowing through the pipeline. It works on the Bernoulli's principle. It has three sections: convergent section, throat section and divergent section. So these three sections are mounted one after the other in the main pipeline. First comes the convergent section, where the cross-section area will be decreasing. At throat section, the cross-section area will be at its minimum value. And in the divergent section, the cross-section area will be increasing. In between throat section and section just before the convergent section, this U-tube manometer will be mounted to calculate the pressure head difference. Suppose say at section 1, the pressure and velocity of fluid is P1 and V1. Okay. Now since the area is decreasing in the convergent section, the pressure is going to drop and velocity is going to increase. So now at throat section, since the area is going to be minimum, that is at section 2, so here the pressure is going to be at its minimum value and velocity will be at its maximum value. Because of this pressure difference created between these two sections, the level of manometric liquid in the left limb of the manometer will be less, since the pressure here will be more, and the level of manometric liquid in the right limb of the manometer at section 2 will be more, since the pressure is at its minimum value. After throat section, during the divergent section, the area is again increasing. That's why here the pressure is going to increase and velocity is going to drop. So this is how the change in the area of the pipe is going to be giving us the pressure head difference between these two sections. Now this pressure head difference will be calculated based on this X value using these two formulae. H is the pressure head difference, X is the difference in the level of manometric liquid in left and right limb of the manometer. Then Sm is the specific gravity of manometric liquid and SO is the specific gravity of fluid flowing through the pipe. So when this Sm is greater than SO, that means the manometric liquid is heavier than the fluid flowing through the pipe. This formula is going to be used to calculate the pressure head difference. Whereas when the SO is greater than Sm, that is fluid flowing through the pipe is heavier than the manometric liquid, this formula is going to be used. Now this pressure head difference is going to be giving us the discharge of the fluid flowing through the pipe using this formula, where this A1 is nothing but area of the main pipe corresponding to diameter D1, A2 is nothing but area of the throat section corresponding to diameter D2, H we can calculate using either of these two formulae, and CD is the coefficient of discharge which accounts for the losses in the venturimeter, and its value is approximately 0.98 to 0.99. Now what are these losses? As we can see here, in the divergent cone section, the length of this section is considerably more than the convergent section. Why is it so? This is because when the fluid is going to come out of the throat section, it will be having the maximum velocity. So because of this higher velocity, when the fluid is going to come out like this, suddenly the velocity is going to drop. And because of this drop in velocity, the fluid particles will try to separate from the main stream of the fluid flow. And it will cause the fluid particles to move in the reverse direction. And this results into loss of energy. And to maintain these losses at minimum level, this divergent cone section is made a little bit longer than convergent section. But still these losses are going to be level at its minimum value, and to account for such losses, this CD is going to be used in the formula. So this is how the venturimeter calculates the discharge or the flow rate of the fluid flowing through the pipe. I hope you have understood today's topic. If you have any doubt regarding this session, you can post it out in the comment section. If you are finding the content of this channel really helpful and interesting, then please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.